The smartphone world never stands still. Just when you thought you've seen it all, the rumor mill churns out whispers of the next big thing. Fresh off the heels of the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung enthusiasts are already buzzing with anticipation for what's next. And if the latest leaks are anything to go by, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is shaping up to be an absolute game changer. According to renowned leaker Revengus, the Galaxy S25 is poised for considerable changes in both design and concept. One of the most talked about alterations, an expansion in screen size from 6.2 inches to a roomier 6.36 inches. This places the Galaxy S25 squarely in competition with the iPhone 16 Pro, mirroring the trend towards taller, narrower displays for enhanced user experience. But what does this increase in display real estate mean for the Galaxy S25? Well, if past trends hold true, it could pave the way for significant upgrades in other components. Leaker Bennett Butter hints at a larger battery and main camera sensor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, suggesting that Samsung might adopt a similar approach for the standard S25 model. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to pack Qualcomm's powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising blazing fast performance and improved AI capabilities. But while we eagerly await the arrival of the Galaxy S25 series, let's not forget to appreciate the current lineup. Check out our in-depth reviews of the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra to see why they're still the reigning champions in the smartphone arena. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries surrounding Samsung's next flagship marvel. The future of smartphones is just around the corner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay connected for future videos, and until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the wonders of technology.